Hey my babies, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am Pookie, and if you are returning, welcome back per usual. Y'all know how we get down over here. Okay, so today's a little bit different. As you read by the title, today we'll be doing a get ready with me, full get ready with me. About to get into some hair, makeup, and of course a cute little outfit. We're going to brunch today, so we're going to do a little cute Sunday brunch. Before we get any further into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you like this video, and make sure you comment some nice stuff for your girl. Let me know how cute my hair is and my makeup is and my outfit is, because we are on the road to 2K. I think we're almost there, literally. So thank you guys for always supporting. If you want to see more of your girl, you come show some love. Okay, period. I'm gonna stop talking, let's just get straight into the video. Okay guys, so just to give y'all some hair details, I have in a 2x6 closure sew-in. I'm wearing 16, 20, and 22 inches. So it stops like right about there. Just something cute and natural. Information will be in my description box if you would like to check out this hair. It's from Hollywood Hair Collection, my hair company. We're about to curl it up, pin curl it up a little bit, do some makeup. We just gonna get into it.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving to the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas Strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want a mom, she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna.
Okay y'all, so now that my hair is pinned up, I love pinning my hair up. I did it real quick and real fast because y'all, I am running late and I literally rushed my pins. But the only good thing about me rushing my curls is that I pinned them up, so they should hold a little bit more and a little bit better. I'm gonna fall already. So we're about to get into some makeup now. I'm gonna do that real quickly. If you want to see my detailed makeup tutorial, make sure you check out my that already dropped.
Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Am I living? You send an accent. These days, no quick my age. Niggas be blasting. Living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up. But this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder. Second chances. Fuck. Well, you can do what you wanna. Live how you wanna. Spin what you wanna. Be who you wanna be. But I'm stuck till I be. You can do what you wanna. Live how you wanna. Spin what you wanna. Be who you wanna be. But I'm stuck till I be. The roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving to the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas Strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want a mom, she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Am I ready? You send an accent. These days, no quick my age. Niggas be blasting. Living in the middle. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up. But this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder. Second chances. Fuck. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I D.I.E. The roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving till the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas Strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want a mom when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you
Makeup
go?
is done. Hair, makeup. Yeah, we did a quick little, I must say like 15-16 minute beat, less than 20 minutes. I'm about to get ready with y'all, show y'all my outfit details. So I have my shirt, my shorts, and my heels on. I'm gonna take these out real quick and I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. Take these pins out of my hair. My hair looks so good. see, I told y'all I rushed my hair, but guess what? God is always by my side. Outfit details. All right, so my hair is done. My top is from Zara and my pants are from Zara. They are pants and I got them tailored into capri shorts. I have this gold bag from Aldo and my shoes are from Aldo as well. I'll show y'all. Let's see. Yes guys, so the full outfit details. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to like this video and comment some nice stuff for your girl, and let me know what you would have done to this outfit, like what you would have changed or what you would have added. I would like to know that down in the comments. But if you love it how it is, let me know that as well. If you want to see the full me putting my outfit on and everything, I did a TikTok video, so make sure to check out my TikTok. It is in the description box below, and I will see you guys on my next video.
You black girl, you black girl, you black girl, you JP coming out of my shirt.